Oh my god, bro, this thing's
That's what I'm saying, it could have went either way.
Yeah, either way. Oh my god, this thing is crazy. Oh my god, look at this shit, bro. Fucking HURACAN PERFORMANTE twin turbo kit by UGR too. Shit's stupid. Y'all see what's going on? Team of Lambos, team of Lambos. I gotta go get a video of this, bro. That shit's beautiful. Excuse us. Big money. My son brought out the F12. Yes, sir. Brought out the ZL1 and the SVJ. Ooh, he big step in. Oh, hear how that shit sound, bro? That sound crazy, bro. I bet you this shit fast as hell, bro. You think you beating Paul? Nah. Oh yeah, stop. Maybe tune the downpipe. Stop. Then, ooh, look where that door go up, boy. Yeah, that thing. Ooh. Yeah, that thing crazy. Look at this car, y'all. This shit's beautiful. The volcano red. Look at the sparkle in this shit, bro. Oh my god. Insane, bro. Alright, time for some B-roll, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go. Biggest show of the year, man. I gotta come out. If y'all don't make it next year. Big Jeep, SRT in the building. Ooh, SQ8. What? Got some nice whips, man. Nice whips. Ooh, money?
You got a mouse on the top of your camera.
I've never been to a car show where Race didn't come up and have to take over. Talk to me, Race.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'd like to thank you for coming for a car show. I'd like to thank everybody that is possible. This opportunity.
Yeah, this is the one for me right here, y'all. I promise y'all, me and Javon gonna be in one of these. Yeah, this the one right here. Yo, he like a young kid. He on that? Oh, it's dad. He better turn out of here, right? I'm gonna cry if he scrape. Everybody pulled over. That's what's up. I wasn't expecting nobody to pull over.
No, I was like, I
knew Derek was.
I knew this needed a quick restart.
Hold on now. Hold on. I know you see this big ass car. God damn. This a completely different car, bro. Completely different car. Ooh, look at this lineup. Crazy. Oh yeah, that's a whole other set of cars. Sheesh. Okay, I heard you. Yes, sir. Oh my God, Ferrari is tough. That Ferrari is beautiful, bro. That shit beautiful. Pete GTR, another GTR, M3. Oh, that's M2. M3. Yeah, the GMC to finish it off. Yo, Shaq, the GMC to finish it off. Low key to pick up the fastest one though. Yeah, that's the one. That interior too nice. I didn't realize that. Alright, man, gang, so man, day after that show, man, that show was crazy. A bunch of cars came out. We had a good time. We went to like this rooftop deck, ate some good food, and everybody went home. But I had a great time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby. We out, man. Peace.